Guys, at CTK we're launching our program from this Monday. So in case you want to join us for the complete program, you can join us for the online program. Otherwise, if you want to go for only books, mock, shortcut, whichever program you want to join, just call the numbers given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. Hi guys, what is the right time to quit your job in case you have planned to quit your job? Now, when you're preparing for the exams, any exam, it's not just about the CAT exam, any exam of your life, last 1 month, 2 months are very crucial. So the way you're studying today, you might not be studying in September, August, September. That's a peak time for preparation. And the way you're going to study in October, November is not the way you're going to study in September. So now till August, then August, September, then last 2 months, October, November and last 15 days. भैया हम इंडियन स्टूडेंट हैं, हम 15 दिन में ही पढ़ के एग्जाम निकालते हैं सारी उम्र. All our life I've studied for 1 day or 2 days for the exam. So here if you're getting a long term, तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. So August, September, October, November, these are the 4 peak months of your life to prepare for the one of the biggest exam of your life, one of the biggest exam of the life. Okay, now come the question when I should quit. Okay, and this is a fundamental mistake people do. This is a mistake I did. Yeah, I started my preparation around August 20th, and when I started my preparation for the CAT exam, August 20th is my date of birth. मेरे life में जितने भी changes आए ना, that is around August 20th. I planned to started running. I was 86 kg, एकदम cheeks बाहर, so August 20th. So a lot of things. Even CAT preparation started on August 20th. Let's do it, and then let's quit the job, and then let's bang on. Then I talked to the HR that I want to quit my job, this and that. Talk to my boss. You have a 1 month, 2 month notice period. Like, oh shit. August end हो गया. September, October notice period. November, how much? When will I study? So I have to take a early leave. So I have to pay back 1 month ka salary. And I talked to my parents. It was hardly 22,000. So I paid 22,000 and get rid of the job immediately. Fine. So when to prepare, we have talked about. When to leave the job will be decided by the notice period. So immediately talk to the boss, take him to confidence, or talk to a friend who have just left. Okay, what is how much is the notice period? It can be 1 month, it can be 2 months. A lot of IT companies have a 3 month notice as well. So you have to manage the notice period. Suppose if you want to quit study in August or go full-fledged in August, you have to quit now. May, June, July, 3 months will take you to come out. And I don't want you to abscond. A lot of people do that. They abscond. If you have work experience of less than 6 months, you can abscond, because less than 6 months of work experience is anyway not counted unless you're in a brand. Yeah. Then Accenture mein job karo. Why to quit? Why to abscond? Abscond mean you quit. You just left. Leave your job. I don't recommend that. Better complete the notice period or pay back. Okay. Talk to your parents about that, you can pay back. So you have to handle that. If you have a 2 months ka notice, you got 1 more month ka time. So you decide when your quitting the job is dependent upon your notice period. So check out the notice period and then decide when you should quit. I think that's the best strategy to do. In other words, I want you to be sitting at home. In case you have already decided to quit, please understand that point. I want you to sit at home from September, October, November at least. August mein chhod sakte ho, very good. Now, those who want to quit now, for example, I want to quit in August, June, July, May, Feb, Jan, don't quit early. Because we are Indian students, we're not going to study that much right now. जब तक वो बम्बून लगेगा, जब तक CAT का date नहीं आएगा, we are not going to study. We all wait for the CAT का date. Fine. So earn some money, because you are going to spend a lot of money in classes, in books, in mocks, in all these things. So it's better not to quit now. Quit according to the notice period so that you are free by August. Alright, all the best. Alright, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join a program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.